In this video, we will be showing you tips for how to properly stain a wood fence. Before getting started, make sure the weather is going to work in your favor. You'll want to apply stain on days that are between 50 and 80 degrees with low to moderate humidity. Make sure all morning dew has evaporated before starting. There also should be no precipitation expected in the next few days, as dry times can take up to 48 hours. Before getting started, cover all plants and vegetation generously with water and put a cover over any delicate vegetation. Let's begin preparing the surface using a deck cleaner. Use a pump sprayer to coat the entire surface. Let the product stand for 10 minutes before using a pressure washer or hose to wash it off. Let your fence dry for up to 2 days. Stir the stain often during the application process. You can also intermix multiple containers to ensure color uniformity. Using a stain applicator, apply the product on a small surface area to ensure appearance and stain penetration. If you're satisfied with the result, then apply stain to the rest of the fence. Stain can be applied using a variety of application methods: a quality brush, a paint roller, or a stain pad. Or you could use an airless paint sprayer, which is the fastest way to finish your staining project. Apply the stain vertically from top to bottom. For horizontal slats, apply the stain from left to right. To help avoid lap marks, apply stain to only a few boards at a time while maintaining a wet edge. If using a rolling or spray application, then make sure to backbrush the stain for best results. Once your staining is complete, let it dry and enjoy your newly stained fence.